Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Don't. Oh, you just knocked it over. Kids play. Take out a piece. Take out a piece.
That's so difficult.
Here, let me take out a piece.
Wow,
Just put it back on top. Alright. It's my turn. Wait, no, it's your turn.
Gasp, I just took one out. Such a difficult task.
Hi. We're at a place downtown. And we're playing extreme Jenga.
We're at a place. Truck goes by.
I set it up. And I'm trying to get everything out safely. Ta-da. I'm not taking that out.
You've selected it. You have to take it
I'm not
out.
taking that out. I'm putting it back.
You have to take it out.
No.
You selected it. You must take it out.
No.
You cheat.
This is super hard. Dang it! Now we're playing the actual Jenga thing. I'll tell you later who wins. Now look. Yay! Hey. We're on a balcony thingy. A deck balcony. And you can see towers and stuff. And the table. And me. And the hole in the fence. Yes. Hey, Jeremy. Hey, Jeremy. Hi. Milk. It's milk. Yeah. Oh, and wait, Jeremy, who won again? Did I win or you win?
Hey, you figured out how to open this up.
Wait, who won?
I'm trying to decide. I think I'm gonna come into the sun right here.
Are you gonna sit in the sun?
I won the. I
I'll probably
won.
get too hot.
I wasn't.
Yeah,
That's
I
why I think he moved.
The
I wanted to
Jenga.
sit in the sun.
Hey, we're at Costco. Wait. Costco, it's fine. Now I gotta go in these doors. Gotta go in these doors. Costco. Costco. Not Costco, it's Costco. You hear that, Mom? It's Costco.
Yes, dear. I heard that.
Cost. Where? Oh. What are we getting here? Alright. Well, yeah, we're at Costco and Mom. Are we getting anything else besides that?
Oh my.
No.
Okay, the only thing we're getting here is a birthday, or 2 birthday cakes, I think.
And a big, big bag of cookies.
Maybe.
Totally.
We're getting 2 birthday cakes for Jeremy. Because his birthday is...
One for my friends, one for me.
Yeah, he's taking one to school.
How are you gonna bring the remainder of it home, or are you gonna leave it at school?
Well, I have like 300 fat jokes lined up here, so.
His fat jokes for who? For you or for who?
For me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're just looking for the cake place, I guess. And then we're going to Ikea and Best Buy and stuff. It's gonna be lots of
You know
fun.
what I'm talking about?
No. What you talking about?
What you talking about, Willis?
Okay. Okay, now we're going to Ikea or Best Buy. I'm not sure which one right now. I'm gonna open the door for Jeremy. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, we're going to Best Buy or Ikea now.
I have so
And
many achievables.
we got I got a drink and Jeremy got like pizza, and my mom got a drink and stuff from Costco. Whoa.
I have so
And
many
yeah, so we're
achievables.
going to one of those places. Ikea or Best Buy. And then yeah. Ikea. And then way over there, if you can see that, way over there, is Best Buy way over there.
No.
Yes. And I want to get another drink when we're in Ikea, because I've done this already. There's nothing left except ice. Yes. So now we're going into Ikea. Ikea. Ah, nice house. Nice place to live. What? We're in Ikea. Dun dun dun. That's a chair.
This is so relaxing.
That looks nice.
That TV
I mean,
is
it's a
awesome.
little chair. TV. Holy crap. Look at this. It's like made out of paper or something. It's like paper sticking out. That is really cool. Holy crap. That's really nice. I love Ikea. I heart Ikea. Yes. I've seen that on their website, that painting. That's cool. I think Smosh has something like that, don't they? I don't know. I want one of these chairs. I like it. And then there's a white one right here that I can sit in. I was sitting in it, but I had a white shirt on, so it's kind of weird-ish. And I think we're leaving soon. We're gonna go to Best Buy or stuff. Jim wants to go to EB Games. So yeah. I don't know if I'm talking quiet, but stretching. Yeah. Hey, Mom.
What do you think of this chair?
What chair? That's cool. Okay, are we going now?
Yeah.
We leaving? He's over there. Hey. Okay, I'm home. Obviously. And I'm sending the stuff to Megan on here. It's like sendspace.com. She told me to go to it. See? Right there. And then that's my picture. She told me to use that if the thing isn't working. And yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I have to wait for that to finish. It's gonna take like half an hour or so. So I'm gonna be done at like 12. And I gotta fold these blankets and just set them down on the couch or somewhere and clean up a bit. And yeah. I'm not sure if I told you already. No, I didn't, because last clip was Ikea. So, yeah, we didn't go to Best Buy. So, yeah. We didn't go to Best Buy because, I don't know, my mom thought we wouldn't have enough time for cash converters, which is where Jamie wanted to go. Because they close at like 5 on Sundays. I think like every day too, I don't know. And, yeah. It was 4, so we had like an hour to get there and stuff. And, yeah, we had enough time. Yes? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do all this stuff, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, Mom? Okay, you're welcome. Okay, bye. Good night. Good night.